Hi my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox this perfume for you, so you don't need to you wouldn't need to buy this perfume without actually knowing what is this about. So I will just actually unbox it for you. So Royale by Rasasi. I already have some Rasasi perfumes. Some of them are nice, like for example this one. I show you. Rasasi the Rich Perfume. This one is nice, guys. But there is another one. Those two are not great, guys. But let's open this one. This one on the notes, it was saying that fruity gourmand perfume for women. Let's do it. So in the box, there is some kind of interesting things going on there. The price of this perfume wasn't a lot. I'm gonna check the expiration date too. 2024 February will expire. September. So it was made this perfume 2016, produced, but then it says 2021 it was produced. It's really hard to know, but at least it's not expired, because on this one kind of it was saying that it was long expired when I bought it, and I didn't know. Some people say like it doesn't really matter that expiration date. It really doesn't. But when it's like many years expired, then it makes you wonder. So there is this type of thing going on that is actually sliding through. And then probably what would happen, I'm hoping that I will be able to unbox this perfume just like this. And Royale is sitting just right there, guys, inside there. I will take it out. I'll take it out, this one. Royale. The name seems like to be you know, something as if there would be something really royal, you know. Let me see, guys, if you could see me. So as if it would be something really royal, you know, that type of situation. This type of perfume, I don't know if you can see very well, but so basically Royale, this type of pinkish type of, you know, can you see, isn't it, this type of pinkish type of situation, like a very kind of the shape of the bottle is interesting. The liquid is kind of pinkish or type of orangey type of situation, you know. Like I really hope so. Let's say I didn't like this one, I didn't like that one, I like this one. So I'm really hoping that, like, let's say this one I would be able to put next to this one, and then I would be able to wear it, you know. I'm really hoping. You know, let's try it on. Cannot feel anything, but I will spray. In the notes it was saying that this perfume supposed to be like fruity, so there is like tangerine, then there is bergamot, and then there's supposed to be red berries, and then there is like in the base vanilla, musk, sandalwood. There's something else that I might not remember now, but let's try it on. Gourmand supposed to be sweet. I really hope it's gonna be good, guys, because if it's not good I will be so disappointed, because there will be like 3 perfumes by Rasasi standing there, and you know, those that I wouldn't like that much. It's really disappointing, guys. So this one, let's see, the price was not a lot, so you know what it is like when the price is not a lot. Let's see. Cannot feel anything yet. Royale. Okay. So I think that, guys, I will like this perfume much more than this and this. I also think that this perfume I like more than this, but this one is pretty good too. So it's a lot of red berries, and there is that type of tangerine note, citrusy note, bergamot. They say bergamot. I actually cannot understand how bergamot smells like, because I have never had perfume that would be made from bergamot. It's supposed to be smelling somehow fresh probably, but red berries, citrus note, and the sweet notes, you know, there must be Vanilla. Vanilla. Like let's say when you buy perfume that is red berries type of smell, and sometimes it might smell cheap, but this one, it's on the cheapish side, but not too cheap. So that means that is something that can be very refreshing, guys, for the summertime. Also not too complicated. There is this type of simplicity in this perfume that is pretty good for the daily life. I can feel that the longevity of this perfume, I don't know, but I think it could be somewhat similar to this one. I feel this type of likability factor, it could be very similar to this one, just this one is better. But this one longevity was very low, which means you would need to respray this perfume. This one is more refreshing. This one is more refreshing because this one has white florals. But this one is more like a skin scent, this type of comforting, sweet with vanilla red berry scent that is refreshing and is not boring, and type of, like for hot summer day, what, when you are choosing the perfume, sometimes this perfume could be pretty good to go, especially like in the warm summer days. Sometimes it's very difficult, so let's say these two perfumes are perfect to refresh yourself. Sweet and not irritating. Like for example, this secret perfume, guys, is irritating with the little bit that type of old-fashioned white floral vibe. And this perfume is very irritating with this type of old-fashioned vibe that is, I don't know what is it coming from. Like they say it's aldehydic smell, but I find it very difficult to wear, and I only wore it one time. So Royale, I feel like the smell is already fading, so the longevity will be under the question. As with this perfume, that type of the Rich perfume will be. This perfume is nice, guys. So this type of situation, but overall, I think I'm happy with this scent. I might even actually spray it myself because, like, let's say to refresh myself, like this, it's fading. Red berries is fading. So type of, it could be good for the younger generation. For like let's say for younger ladies, like it could be very good. Could be refreshing type of, but even for older, if you want to refresh yourself, this type of perfume, I am happy to have it. I think I'm happy to have it. Those citruses really helps kind of to refresh that type of red berry scent. I'm happy. I don't think it will be perfume that can bring a lot of compliments, but it will be perfume that would refresh yourself without being too irritating. And you would need to spray it, of course. So that's it, guys. That was my small simple review. I am happy about the solution, about the results. Of course I would have been more happier if that would be some kind of amazing brilliant perfume, but overall at least it's not bad and can be quite satisfying to use. Royale, affordable perfume, youthful perfume, sweet vanilla for the summer type of perfume. And what else would you want, guys? Okay, I will say bye bye to you. Have a nice day. See you soon, guys.